In this video, we're going to find the solution to two questions on binary numbers and question on matrices and determinants. This is series of questions we've been solving as we prepare you for your JAMB mathematics examination. Don't forget to join our live classes as we treat past JAMB questions. Also, remember to share this video with friends and colleagues. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Now, let's get started immediately. To solve this first question on binary number, we are going to look at the rules guiding the addition of binary number. What are the rules? Now, when you have 0 plus 0, what will 0 plus 0 give you? 0 plus 0 is going to give you 0. Now, what if we have 0 plus 1? 0 plus 1 will be equal to 1. Now, what if we have 1 plus 0? 1 plus 0 will still be equal to 1. Now, what if you have 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 will be equal to 10. So what you do is to write what? 0, and then you carry what? 1 to the next row. Now, what if you are asked to add three binary numbers? And in that situation, you can have 1 plus 1 plus 1. And this will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be equal to 11. So what you do here is to write 1 and you carry over 1 to the next what? To the next column. Now, what if you have four binary numbers and you are adding four binary numbers? You have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. What will this give you? This is going to give you 100. So what you're going to do here is to write the first 0 and 0, and then you carry what? 1 to the next what? Column. So you see, that is exactly the rules guiding the addition of binary numbers. Now let's arrange this number that we have been given, and then we'll add the numbers. Now, what are the numbers that are given? We are given 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 in base what? In base 2. And we are asked to add it with, you'll notice that these numbers are more than these. So we'll start from here, 0, 0, 1, and then we'll have 0 what? 1. And this is what? This is an addition in which both of them are in base what? Base 2. Now let's get started. Now, applying the first rule, we have 1 plus 0 is going to give us what? 1, right? 1 plus 0 is going to give us 1, right? Now remember, all are going to be in base 2. Now 1 plus 1, remember, is going to give us 10. We'll write 0 and carry 1 to the next column. So that will now give us 1 plus 0 is 1. That same 1 plus this 0 is going to give us what? 1. Great. Now 1 plus 1 is still going to give us 10. So we'll write 0 and carry 1 to the next what? Column. In the next column, we still have 1 plus 1, and that 1 plus 1 will give us 0. We'll carry 1 to the next column. Now, in the next column, we don't have any value here. We don't have any value here. So it's assumed to be what? 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So we're having what? 1 here. So our solution is going to be 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 1, and it's going to be in base what? 2. And that is the solution to the addition of that two number in binary. Now, do we have the option there? Let's find out. Now, the option is 100, 10, 11. 100, 10, 11. And that is what? That is option what? Option A. So you see, when you are given question like this, you are not supposed to take much time in solving it. You solve it and then dish out your answer. Tick your answer as a CBT computer-based exam and go straight to the next question. Now, what is the next question? In the next question, we are asked to do what? We are asked to find the value of x if the matrices minus x 12 minus 1 4 is equal to minus 12. Now this is a bit simpler because we have to find the determinant of that matrix and then equate it to negative 12. So what are the determinants of that matrix? So what we are going to do, remember, to solve determinant, we are going to have our negative x multiplying by 4, right? And this will be minus negative 1 multiplying 12, right? And this they said is equal to negative 12. So we've expanded that. Negative x multiplied by 4 is going to give us a negative 4 what? X minus negative 1 multiplied by this is going to give us a negative 12, right? And this will be equal to negative what? 12. And I hope you are following us. Now, what do we do next? We're going to simplify. We'll have a negative 4x. Negative multiplied by negative is going to give us plus 12, and this will be equal to negative 12. Now, let's subtract 12 from both sides. We're going to have negative 4x plus 12 minus 12, and this will be equal to negative 12 minus what? 12. So what you find here is that this will simply clear this because negative plus minus plus 12 minus 12 will give us what? 0. So what we'll have here is simply negative 4x equal to negative 12 minus 12 is going to give us negative 20 what? 4. So we have negative on both sides. Negative will clear negative, and then we'll have our 4x remaining equal to 24. So we can simplify x by dividing both sides by what? 4. If you do that, you're going to have the value of your x to now be equal to 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So the value of our x is equal to 6. That didn't take us much time, and the value for the solution to that question number 6 is B. So you see, as easy as this can be. So in just these few minutes, we'll find the solution to these two questions. These are the questions you'll be seeing as you take your computer-based text in your JAMB exam. And remember, it's going to be 40 questions. As you join us, as we solve JAMB past questions, we are going to solve all these similar questions you will see in your exam. So don't forget to try questions like this, as we'll be dropping links to past questions in the description section of this video so that you can get those past questions and then try out questions like this. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more simplified JAMB solution questions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.